All right, good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 13th, 2018. It's Dave Knight here at 123 Day Trade. And if we look at Forex Factory today, we've got some, obviously we have the inventory report coming out, but more importantly, at the 1 o'clock mark, we have the FOMC statement and federal funds rate coming out today. So it's going to be one of those interesting days. And it's out now. The release is out. And let's see what happens here. High volume blue bar, 1756. Actually, that came out prior. Hold on here. Not even 9:30 yet. Now it's 9:30. Somebody knew something ahead of time. 7326. Shot all the way through there, huh? Boy, it's like last week was kind of confusing. Up and through, up to the upper band range from yesterday. I'm going to wait for a true 1, 2, 3 to set up here. $58 for now. 58. Up to 666 again, huh? Take a shot at 2 today. First target will end up being 52. Make 6606. One of the targets, 6606. Take a little bit less of a loss on one. A 1P target from 6658. Got filled at 6659. 1P target's 42. Go ahead and protect one at break even. I think 6666 is in play. That's why I'm at 6669 right now. I'd like to move closer to break even, but I don't want to be at 6666. $64.77 is the target that I'm going to be looking at, but I also want to not take a loss on this trade if I can help it. I'm out. Don't like it. Taking too long. Pausing. In the back of my mind, I know it's FOMC day, so don't get that quick move quickly. It might be best to stand aside. So really fought at the R1 line. When in doubt, stay out, right? What I know is it didn't break down quickly. So therefore, what doesn't go down must go up, and is what's worrying me. And I mean, even if it goes up to 71 or so, it's a pretty big move there. Went from 6,600. I guess it's not that big, but it's a big move in a short period of time. Went up 85 ticks in a matter of what, minutes? 9:29 to 9, when less than about a minute, almost 2 minutes. It went up 85 ticks. Look back here at 9:28. Excuse me, 2 minutes. It only took 2 minutes to get from 6,600 to the high right there at 66.85. One P target was 42. $42. Look for a 3P move from there. No, I don't like it. I don't like it with FOMC day here. The longer it takes to move, the higher the probability of us just settling down and screw everybody until FOMC statement comes out. Gonna pause here. Two of my biggest losing days on the CLPIT strategy are the day that FOMC is coming out, and Thursdays. when you have the 11 o'clock report coming out. I mean, a day late at 11. A holiday. Remember, our original entry point was 58. At this point, I would be at break even. It being this close to 1p. I don't know. Put the 56 right there. I wouldn't be willing to take this trade on any longer. Best case scenario right now. Meaning I'd still be in on a contract. Alright, there, it just ran at 58. And even if you're holding 59, break even. I don't know. Break even's holding right now, but 58's out. I mean, if it's going to move, it's going to move quickly. It's not going to be screwing around like this on inventory day. It just doesn't screw around on a day that you win. The day that you're winning, it moves quickly to target or close. I mean, it doesn't really dick around with you with the 1p mark. A lot of times your decision is between, if I take profit between 1 and 2p, 2 and 3p on a winning day. On a losing day, you can rack up some losses really quick if you're not careful. And we all know that. I guess the only thing we got going on here is we have the GAN signal trying to work its way in. Let's consider this 3. It's a big number. 7,326. 930. That's a big, big number. See, there's a break. That shouldn't have stopped here. I don't know. Now, this is the times I second guess myself all the time. Holding 1P, 1R, you hold 2/3 R, even a 1R today, you're in this still, not moving to break even until it runs at least. You know, penny wise, dollar foolish. Talked about that many times over. The fear of losing outweighing the win. And obviously, I mean, in the back of my head, I'm going, it's FOMC day, it's a federal funds day, the market can settle down at any moment, it can do anything it wants. And I'm talking myself out of staying out of a trade pretty much. Look at that. As soon as it went down to 35, now it's shooting right back up here again. Might be an opportunity to run 41 back down to $60 a barrel, $66 a barrel. Alright, looking at 5-minute chart, you can see it kind of bottoming out here, trying to move up. It's these days that I wish, I mean, gets above 59, then the jig is up. So how do you play that? I mean, how do you legitimately play a mark that went down to your favor? 42 is 1p, was down here to 35, and then it shoots up here past your point of break even. I just don't know how you can play that. The only thing I know to do here is to give this to the birds and be happy that I'm up 3 ticks. I'm going to pause here. Actually, this is going to be the end of the CLPIT strategy. Worst case scenario, you should have had break even today. I just don't know how I would have played it any other way. Even if we'd have come in at 59, 58, I mean, just, I don't understand how I can hold a mark that has moved so much in my favor and then turns around and goes up like this. It's baffling to me. So it's been said, don't let your winners turn into losers. It's one of the golden rules of trading. This right here, as I would say, is a winner, and if you let it turn into a loser up here, then this is I don't know. I don't know how else to trade this. Now, if it goes all the way down and lower at this point, I just don't know how you would trade this trade that didn't work out. I mean, I can see myself right now being down 20, 30 ticks by, getting hammered here, trying to chase the market and all this other things. The true mark in the sand to get short. Now, I like my entry point. My entry point was valid. I waited, got in. There's my entries. Now I can look at this until I'm blue in the face. It didn't work out. I am done with this video. It's Dave Knight here from 123 Day Trade. I feel fortunate to be up 3 on a day that I could easily be at break even or worse, a lot worse off. CLPIT strategy on the, like I said, on FOMC Federal Funds Rate Day. It's a very hard day to trade overall. It's been my nemesis, so I'm counting myself as lucky to be up on a day that I could easily have been down big time. All right, I'm out of here.